Hello, Smart Choices community. It is Wednesday morning, and because it's Wednesday morning, we know it's time for the Savvy Savings with Carla and Daphne. I still love the ring to that,
Me
Carla.
too. Me too.
So interestingly, I just had to share this little tidbit, Carla. Yesterday, I had a doctor's appointment. I had my mammogram, and the woman who checked me in said that we are 8% of the way through 2024. And it stopped me in my tracks for a second because I was like, wait, what? And she said, yeah, she was listening to this podcast and we're already 8% into the new year. And I thought, okay, well, that either can cause fear or excitement depending on where you're at. And I am very excited about where we are in January. And I love the momentum in our community. I love this 21-day whole challenge that we're doing right now because there's so many great tips and bits of information that are being shared amongst our community this week. So it's very, very exciting time to be part of Smart Choices.
Yes, it is. I'm so excited too. We've just had so many new people join our community, and we're getting such amazing results where people are making progress. And a big thing is mindset. And that's a big thing that we talk about is, in January, a lot of people do the all or nothing thing. And it's like, I'm going to do everything. I'm going to change my whole life. And in 2 weeks, that you're giving up because they're looking at the negative. And what we do is we work on some healthy habits, and we have this great tracker that we're using. And one of the things we stress is, you don't have to have everything filled in to share your tracker. It's just that you're tracking it for your own. You're competing against yourself. So you pick the goal you're working on. And I was responding to one of our team members yesterday who was saying that she was really kind of in a funk about, how she was doing with everything, and, normally quits at this time. And but I was stressing to her, look at all the positives. Every box you checked is you doing something good for yourself. So, focus on what you're doing right. And we'll gradually, like, we have a whole year mapped out for you of healthy habit challenges and things and activities we're going to do together. So I love, this is something you always say, Daphne. What do you say? It's a marathon. It's not a race, right? So we're training for a marathon for the good, healthy lifestyle. So yes, I'm loving the 21-day whole. It's been my favorite challenge we've done in a very, very long time.
Me too, me too. And I know that there are several members of our Smart Choices community that have done what I've done over the years too, which is the yo-yo dieting. You try this fad, you try that fancy new thing, that short-term program, and it's exhausting. And so I love this approach of let's just build good, healthy habits one at a time, not all at once. So let's launch in, right? We want to talk about the savvy savings part of our program here is to tell everybody the deal. So can I just start with the birthday one because I'm so excited about it?
Yes, 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 yes.
So Shaklee every year chooses a free gift to give Shaklee members as part of their birthday month. If and when you order in your birthday month as a loyalty order, this will get added into your order for free. But you do have to have your birthday in the system. So if you're unsure if your birthday is registered in the system, get in touch with your Shaklee person to make sure it is. And then you get a free gift in your birthday month. And this year, it is Vivix, my favorite product. So you will get a little gift pack of Vivix gummies as your birthday gift. Vivix, the quick thumbnail is its anti-aging product. It helps with aging at the cellular level. These are like the amazing little gummies. You take 3 a day. And so you're getting a sample gift pack of those gummies. Yum, yum, yum. Now you're making me jealous because I don't have mine sitting at my desk.
I can.
But make sure your birthday is registered in Shaklee. Make sure you do a loyalty order during your birthday month. If you have any questions about any of that, just get in touch with your Shaklee person and we can get you all set up because that is a really cool gift.
Oh, those are
As you
so
finish your
fun.
gummy, I know they
I
are
love
so
them. I
easy.
love them. I love them. And I've been taking the Shaklee Vivix since it came out in 2008. Amazing product that is anti-aging. I mean, it clinically proven to repair your cells on the DNA level. End of game. Plus, it also has been proven to reduce inflammation.
Yep.
Winner, 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 all over. So let's talk about, so we've been talking about the 21-day whole challenge. There's actually some products that we recommend to go with it. It's optional, but it's highly recommended to get better results. And so we have 2 bundles put together for you with special savings. So let's talk about those.
So we have been talking so much about these new multitaskers that are wellness duos, where you get two bangs for your buck. And so both of the kits that are on sale this month have all of the multitaskers, and I've been using all 3 of them every day. I love them. My daughter has been using some of them. And it's so great. So there's one for beauty, one for sleep, one for gut health. I'm drawing a blank. I just
That's
messed
it.
up one of them.
Oh,
Okay.
those are the 3 we're featuring today.
Yeah.
I think that's good. Yeah, we have some other ones, but we'll focus on these.
Yeah.
And so there is a core bundle where you get all 3 of the multitaskers that she talked about, as well as a 28 serving of your favorite Life Shake flavor, which is a full meal replacement and is what we recommend because it's what we use. I've been using it for 30 years. It's so good. And I love that it's got 20 grams of plant protein, 6 grams of fiber, and 24 vitamins and minerals in it. So it just plus prebiotics and digestive enzymes. I mean, it's just an amazing base for a great smoothie or oatmeal or making muffins or pancakes out of it. And when you get the 21-day core bundle, which I just shared with you, you're going to get a free download of our breakfast and bowls recipe guide. So when you order the core bundle, you just put in the promo code 21-day whole, and you're going to get what is normally $228 in retail price for $169. It's an incredible deal. And I just was reading the promo before we came on, that you can order unlimited. So like if you want to order 3 of these or 4 of these to get the great value, because this is heavily discounted, do it because you can. And the other thing I learned is when you order this bundle, you can also get $10 off your order next month. In February, you're going to have a coupon for $10 off. So be sure to check that out. All the details are on the website when you're ordering, or talk to your Shaklee person and we'll get you the details on that. There's also another bundle that is a complete bundle. So you're going to get everything I just shared with you, the 3 multitaskers, the Life Shake, and you're going to get the pre-workout. And Daphne, did you have one of those on hand you were going to share? Tell us a little about that. What was your experience with it?
So this is so fun. There are these little packets. I love the little packets because it just makes it so portable and fun. Um, the way a friend described it is it's like a lemonade pixie stick from when you're a kid. And you add it to your water bottle and you go, and it gives you a excuse me, I'm like thinking so many things and I can't get my words out. It's an energy source. So it comes from green tea. It is delicious and it's supposed to give you that burst of energy, but then stick around for your workout. So it says, get the most out of what you put in, delivers 100 milligrams of natural caffeine from green tea extract for long-lasting energy that helps you work out harder and longer. And there are some other amazing ingredients like beta-alanine and L-theanine. So yum, yum, yum.
Awesome. So you get that in addition to the thing that's in the core bundle, plus you get a 7-day healthy cleanse. And we've just had a couple of people finish their cleanses, like Katie, she and her husband did it. And they were talking about, yes, they had some scale victories. They both lost some weight, but they had so many non-scale victories like clearer thinking, sleeping better, more energy. And so, if you're thinking about doing a 7-day healthy cleanse and you want to do the 21-day whole, this is a really good bundle to get. And we also had Maggie and Rose did the cleanse this past week, and they both are just raving about it. because they got weight loss as well, but they also had the better sleep, the clearer thinking, and all those good things. And it's jumpstart a healthy lifestyle. So they're jumping in the 21-day hole now. And Maggie even signed up to be an ambassador because, she was sharing her results. And so many people like, what are you doing? What are you doing? So she's
Love
going
it.
to get the benefits of sharing that by signing up as an ambassador. So yay to Maggie and Rose and Katie for your great results. So there's one more promo we want to talk about. And that is, if you are not already a Shaklee member, family member, if you don't have an account with us, if you join this month with one of these offers or one of our other offers, we can get with you and customize one with you. You can also get a free gift, another free product of your choice. And the one I'm recommending for everyone is either the cleanse or the collagen. So I think those are really good. But there's two other gifts, the pre-workout drink and our immunity drink, that are available too. So get with your Shaklee person. You do have to enter special codes to do that. So make sure that you enroll with the person that invited you to be a part of our Smart Choices community. And yeah, that's all I have as far as the promos. How about you?
That was it. That was it. I mean, I think the things to emphasize are we have our 21-day hole happening right now. Anybody can join at any time. There are no products required. All that is required is for you to take care of you, and we're using the daily tracker. So this is choose your own adventure, go at your own pace. If all you want to do is dial in one of your healthy habits in these 21 days, go for it. But you can join us anytime. We would love to have you. Let us know you're joining so we can help support you. So the more you get, the more you put in, the more you get out of the experience. So if you let us know that you're doing the 21-day hole with us, we can support you. And also you can be eligible for some of the prizes that we will be giving away. Um, and
We have
then
a drawing today.
we do
Woo!
have a drawing today.
Yeah.
And also, anytime you have any question about a wellness product, about a wellness issue, about a health question you have, or how to get the best deal, that is why Carla and I show up every week having this conversation with you all. It is why Smart Choices community exists, because I guarantee if you
Okay,
have a
Daphne.
question,
Yes, you just went blank. Yeah.
oh, am I still here? Can you hear me?
Yeah, you're going in and out. So I'll
Okay,
just finish up that part for you is,
sure.
if you have any questions, that's what we're here for. So don't hesitate to reach out. I do want to do one sneak peek though. You think we should do a sneak peek?
Do it.
Coming next month. Do you want to know what the theme is? The theme is love the skin you're in. And we're going to be having a challenge on, it's called Zen and Zone. And we're going to be focusing on self-care and sleep. That's going to be our free challenge next month. And then we're also going to be bringing a glow up skincare challenge. So it's going to be all about self-care and skincare and sleep next month. And so be sure to invite your friends to join us as well. So it's lots of fun. We offer a lot of free content. And then we do have the bonuses. You can add some Shaklee products in, and you're just really going to boost your results that way. So we want to thank you for watching us. And if you watched all the way to the end, what should our code word be, Daphne?
Love.
Oh, I like that one. Love. Type love in the comments, and well, I might throw you in that drawing. Bye for now.